Hello students, in this video today we shall discuss the remaining part of the poem The Inchcape Rock. We know that the poem is written by Robert Southey. The poem is ballad. Ballad means simple story poem, or in Marathi we can say povada. Inchcape Rock is very dangerous place. It is in the North Sea. Actually, it is sandstone reef. The meaning of reef is the line of sharp rocks. दगडांचा समुदाय असलेलं दगड असलेलं ते ठिकाण आहे. And it is 18 kilometers away from the coast of Angus in Scotland. स्कॉटलंडच्या समुद्रावरती हे 18 किलोमीटर आतमध्ये हे ठिकाण आहे. अँड द प्लेस इज व्हेरी व्हेरी डेंजरस बिकॉज मेनी शिप्स collide with the rock and damaged, and many mariners or sailors have lost their lives. So, Abbot of Aberbrothock installed the bell on that Inchcape Rock because he wanted to save the life of the mariners and the sailors. Who was Abbot of Aberbrothock? We know that he was a religious old man and he was the head of the church where the nuns or the monks live. Nuns and monks म्हणजे religious people or those who do the work of their religion. धार्मिक कार्य करणारे नन आणि साधू संत जिथे राहायचे तिथे तो राहायचा. थोडक्यात आपण त्याला मठाधिपती असं म्हणूया. सो ही वॉन्टेड टू सेव्ह द लाईव्स ऑफ मरीनर्स अँड ही इन्स्टॉल्ड द बेल ऑन दॅट इंचकेप रॉक. द next character in this story poem is Sir Ralph the Rover. Sir Ralph the Rover is villainous character. He was pirate. Pirate means sea robber. समुद्रावरती लूटमार करणारा हा व्यक्ती. He was very happy. It was spring season. Spring made him happy, so he was singing and he was whistling. But he was happy because one wicked plan was going in his mind. And what was that wicked plan? He wanted to destroy or remove the bell which was there on the Inchcape Rock. Because he disliked that people praised Abbot for his good work. Abbotनं केलेल्या चांगल्या कामाबद्दल लोक त्याची सारखी प्रशंसा करायचे कारण त्यांचं जीवन वाचायचं, ॲक्सिडेंट होण्यापासून वाचायचे आणि त्याच्यामुळं ते लोक त्याचं कौतुक करायचे. अँड ही डिसलाइक्ड दॅट अँड सो इन जेलसी ही डिसाइडेड टू कट द बेल. दॅट प्लॅन वॉज ringing in his mind, and so he became more happy because he wanted to execute that plan. So he told his men, let us read the poem and try to understand what happened further. His eye was on the Inchcape float, quoth he. Quoth means said he. His eye was on the Inchcape float, quoth he, my men put out the boat. He wanted to execute that plan, wicked plan. He wanted to cut the bell, and so he told his men to take the boat towards the Inchcape Rock. and row me to the Inchcape Rock. What was his intention to go to the Inchcape Rock? He wanted to go to Inchcape Rock because he wanted to cut that bell. He wanted to destroy that bell. And row me to the Inchcape Rock, and I will plague. Plague means create harm or cause trouble. The abbot of Aberthorpe. He wanted to destroy the good work done by abbot. The boat is lowered. The boat is lowered. The boatmen row, and to the Inchcape Rock they go. Sir Ralph bent over from the boat, and he cut the bell from the Inchcape float. He told his men to take the boat towards Inchcape Rock, and they came towards the Inchcape Rock. And when they came there, Sir Ralph bent over from the boat and he cut the bell from the Inchcape float. Down sunk the bell with a gurgling sound. As soon as Ralph cut the bell fell in the water. Down sunk. The bell sank into the water, making gurgling sound. Gurgling is a sound word. The bell drowned into the water, making sound. The bubbles rose and burst around. As the bell drowned into the water, sank into the water, bubbles came on the surface of the water and spread around. Quoth Sir Ralph, the next who comes to the rock. In this way, he executed his plan. He destroyed that warning bell, and he became more happy. And he said, quoth Sir Ralph, means Sir Ralph said, the next who comes to the rock, the next traveler or the people who travel by the boat, who comes to the rock, who came to the rock, won't bless. They would not bless the abbot of Aberbrothock because they would not get the warning in the storm or whenever there was high tide, भरतीच्या वेळेला किंवा स्टॉर्मी क्लाउड असल्यानंतर, स्टॉर्मी ॲटमॉस्फिअर असल्यानंतर त्यांना काही वॉर्निंग मिळणार नाही. अँड दे वुड नॉट प्रेज अबॉट ऑफ ॲबरब्रोथॉक. ॲबरब्रोथॉकचं ते आता कौतुक करणार नाहीत बिकॉज देअर वॉज नो इंचकेप बेल टू वॉर्न देम. Later, Sir Ralph the rower sailed away. He cut the bell from the Inchcape float and he sailed away. He scoured the seas. Scoured means searched. He searched the seas for many a day. He travelled by the sea searching the ships. Why he wanted to search the ships? Because he wanted to rob. He wanted to loot the wealth. He scoured the seas for many a day. For many days he travelled by the sea searching the ships to loot. And now grown rich, he looted wealth and so he became rich. And now grown rich with plundered store. Plundered store means the big amount he looted, the big wealth he looted actually. त्यानं काय केलं होतं, अनेक जहाजं लुटली होती आणि खूप संपत्ती गोळा केली होती. सो ही बिकेम रिच. अँड नाव ही स्टीअर्स हिज स्कोर्स. स्टीअर्स मीन्स डायरेक्ट. नाव ही वॉन्टेड टू गो बॅक. he steers, we can say go back, his course for Scotland's shore. He wanted to go back to Scotland. On his way, what happened? So thick a haze. Haze means mist or fog. धुकं, इतकं गडद धुकं पसरलं. So thick a haze overspreads the sky. It was spread over the sky and the atmosphere become dark. They cannot see the sun on the high. It was daytime, but how it was looking? As if it was night. So thick a haze overspread the sky. The haze, the fog, the mist spread over the sky, and they cannot see the sun on high. Even they could not see the sun. The wind hath blown. The wind started blowing very fast. It means that the storm started. The wind hath blown a gale all day. The wind was blowing very fast all day. संपूर्ण दिवस जोरात सोसाट्याचा वारा सुटला होता आणि सगळीकडे धुकं पसरलं होतं. The wind hath blown a gale all day. At evening it had died away. At evening the wind stopped blowing, but the mist was there, fog was there, and so the surrounding became darker. On the deck, the rover takes his stand. Deck is the open space in the ship. On the deck, the rover takes his stand. So dark it is, they see no land. Rover came on the deck and he saw around and realized that the surrounding became darker. On the deck, the rover takes his stand. So dark it is, they see no land. It was so dark that they could not see the land. They wanted to go towards the coast, but they were unable to see that because of the fog spread there, the haze spread there. So dark it is, they see no land. Quoth Sir Ralph. Quoth means said. Sir Ralph said, it will be light year soon. Soon it will be light year. When it will light year? When they will be able to see the surrounding or some coast? It will be light year soon, for there is the dawn of rising moon. He said that there would be, moon would rise and they would see the land or the coast in that moonlight. Canst hear? Said one of the passengers or the voyager who was with Sir Ralph said, canst hear the breakers roar? He said that canst you hear? Canst you hear? Said one, the breakers roar. One co-passenger said, or the person who was with him said that he heard the waves crashing against the coast, and so they thought that they were near the coast. किनाऱ्याच्या जवळच आपण आहोत असं त्यांना वाटायला लागलं. Canst hear? Said one, the breakers roar. For methinks means he thought that we should be near the shore. As he heard the crashing sound of waves against the coast. So he thought that they were near the shore. Now, where we are, I cannot tell, but I wish I could hear the Inchcape bell. He said that he did not know exactly where were they. ते कुठे नेमकं आहेत ते काही सांगता येत नाही. बट हिअर ही विश्ड दॅट ही कुड हिअर द इंचकेप बेल. इंचकेप बेल जर ऐकायला आली असती तर बरं झालं असतं असं त्याला वाटायला लागलं. दे हिअर नो साऊंड. देअर वॉज नो इंचकेप बेल. They hear no sound. The swell is strong. The swell means the tide. भरती जोराची आलेली होती. समुद्र खवळलेला होता. लाटा उंच उंच उसळत होत्या. धुकं सगळीकडे पसरलेलं होतं आणि अंधार पडला होता. They hear no sound. The swell is strong. Though the wind had fallen, they drift along. The wind hath fallen means now the wind stopped blowing fast, but there was high tide. अतिशय जोराची भरती आलेली होती आणि त्यामुळं they were moving ahead slowly. पुढे पुढे ते जात होते. Till the vessel strikes. And just then what happened? Till the vessel strikes with a shivering shock. They heard a shock, that they realized that their ship or their boat struck against something. Till the vessel strikes with a shivering shock. Oh Christ, oh Christ, it is the Inchcape Rock. They were thinking something. They wanted to go to the coast, but they were unable to see the coast because of the fog, because of the mist, and because of the high tide. But they realized that their ship struck against rock, and Ralph said, "Oh Christ, oh God," and he realized that it was Inchcape Rock. Sir Ralph the rower tore his hair. Tore means pulled his hair. Now Sir Ralph realized his mistake. He realized that he has cut that bell. Sir Ralph the rower tore his hair. He cursed himself. Cursed means he cursed himself. He blamed himself. तो स्वतःलाच काय करायला लागला? दोष द्यायला लागला. Now he realized his mistake. Now he realized what wrong he has done. Sir Ralph the rower tore his hair. He cursed himself in his despair. He became very sad. He became very nervous, and nervously he started angrily pulling his hairs. The waves rush in every side, and the ship collided with the Inchcape Rock, and the water started going into the ship from all sides, rushing in the ship from every side. The waves rush in every side. The ship is sinking beneath the tide, and the ship started sinking, drowning into the water. But even in his dying fear, now Ralph realized that it was his dying time. He was going to die. But even in his dying fear, one dreadful sound could the rower hear. Now he remembered the sound. And what was that sound? He heard the sound. Actually he was dying. आता मृत्यू त्याचा जवळ आलेला होता, बोट बुडायला लागलेली होती, पण त्याच्यातही त्याला एक आवाज आला. कुठला आवाज होता तो? इट वॉज द साऊंड ऑफ इंचकेप बेल. बट हाऊ ही फेल्ट दॅट साऊंड? A sound as if with the Inchcape bell, the devil below. He heard the sound of Inchcape bell, but now he realized that who was ringing that bell? Devil was ringing that bell, as if it was the funeral announcement. The devil below was ringing his knell. Death bell the devil was ringing. In this way, Ralph died in that storm. What is the message of this poem? The message is that the theme of the poem is that if you purposefully harm somebody, if you do bad happens with you. तुम्ही लोकांच्या बरोबर वाईट केलं तर तुमच्याही सोबत काय होतं? वाईटच होतं. If you do bad happens with you and you will be punished and justice will be done. तुम्ही वाईट केलं, तुमचंही वाईट होतं आणि न्याय केला जातो. There are many idioms or phrases. We can say tit for tat, जशास तसे, or crime gets its own punishment. एखाद्या गुन्हेगाराला त्याची शिक्षा मिळतेच. म्हणजे जसं करावं तसं भरावं. वाईट केलं तर वाईटच होतं. If you do bad happens with you. If you do good comes with you, or good happens with you. तुम्ही चांगलं केलं तर तुमच्यासोबत चांगलं घडतं, तुम्ही वाईट केलं तर वाईट घडतं. This is the message of the poem Inchcape Rock. Okay, in this way the poem is completed. Okay, goodbye.